So this is exactly how your McDonald's ice cream looks like. Yes, I made McDonald's ice cream because I've been craving for it and I love this ice cream so badly. Guys, watch this video till the end and find out how you can make your own McDonald's ice cream so yummy and tasty. If you have tried that ice cream before, then you will know what I am talking about. Yes. Oh my goodness. This is exactly how I wanted it to look like. And I'm super grateful that it turned out to be like this. Oh my. So, guys, please try this out. Try this out, and you will never ever regret trying this out. So, watch this video till the end and see how I came up with this. I love being your love. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning on, you're welcome and thanks so much for joining. So today I'm gonna come up with Oreo ice cream. Yes, that tasty and your favorite McDonald's ice cream full of Oreo. So guys, this is me trying to show you how I came up with mine. Okay, you can try it back at home, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing, liking this video, and sharing with your friends. So today we have 2 Oreos. It all depends on you. You could have 2 or 3 small packets of Oreo like this, or you could actually have 1 full big one. Okay, so right now these are my Oreos, and I'm just gonna scoop out the cream in between it. So you have to scoop out this cream just like you see me doing right now, making sure that you use only the Oreos, only the cookies. Use just the cookies, guys. And you need to use, if you want this particular flavor, chocolate flavor, then you have to use this same chocolate flavor of cookies, Oreo cookies, just like you see me doing. So I have to scoop out the cream. Yes, you don't want to make your ice cream is already sweet, okay? And you don't want to add this cream to it. You just want your normal and natural flavor of cookies when actually biting or actually feeling or tasting this Oreo ice cream from McDonald's. Guys, I'm taking you straight to McDonald's with this ice cream, and you have nothing. You can't tell me nothing about this. Okay, so guys, please stay tuned and just watch how I do it. So guys, after scooping out this cream, you have to put it into a nylon or a plastic bag, wherein you're gonna go ahead to actually heat it up just like you see me doing with your pistol or whatever stick you have or you want to use. Yes, don't blend it, just make sure you just heat it up just like you see me doing, so that when, in fact, you keep watching this video and watch till the end and see how it turns out to look like, because if you blend it, it's gonna have something different. Okay, the feeling is gonna be different, so please keep watching. So fam, as you can see, take a look at how fine my cookies are. This is exactly how you should blend yours. And I'm gonna go ahead to use my whipping cream. Yes, this is our heavy whipping cream. Guys, use that cream that is really heavy. Yes, the heavy whipping cream for ice cream. This is how we're gonna go. You will go ahead and pull it up in a bowl. Yes, you can use 1 liters or as well as 800 grams of it. So I'll go ahead, pour it in here. And guys, I love whipping cream, and I love it because you can actually whip it and ice your cake, and you can do so many other things with this whipping cream, guys. So I got this cream online from a bakery shop online, and it got straight up to me. And so once I see whipping cream, I know, yes, this is what I'm looking for, because everything is written in Chinese. So guys, I was able to sort out and spot out this one, and that was exactly good for me. So I'll go ahead and try as much as possible to actually whip. Yes, you need to get a whipping machine just like mine, and you need to get your whisk if you have. So I'm gonna go ahead to pour in my sugar. Yes, half cup of sugar, guys. So, and after pouring that, you just keep whipping just like you see me doing. At this point, I'd really whipped it so badly. And also you need to put in your milk. Yes, your condensed milk. Yeah, this liquid milk, that is the stick. Yes, I'm sure I got the right word. So this cream wasn't actually the best, because why is it misbehaving anyways? It's still cream. So after that, you just whip. You see that it's super easy to come up with this ice cream, right? And next you put your cookies, your Oreos, and yes, at this point, guys, it sounded this way. So just put your Oreo, and that's me putting my flavor. Yeah, I love strawberry flavor, so you can put any flavor of your kind. And this is me pouring it in here, and after pouring it, you have to definitely put it in the fridge and make sure it stays there for 8 hours or more. And this is me topping it up with some Oreos. Again, you have to top it up just like this in order to get that beautiful taste and feel of cookies and Oreos whenever you bite it. And this is Estella, not just, she can't wait for this ice cream to be ready. So guys, take a look. So guys, this is the ice cream. Probably after 8 hours, we have something like this. Wow. So we'll just scoop, and the ice cream is ready. So you see? Yummy. Take a look. So this is how it is. Yummy. Super yummy, guys. So you see? And then that's how you scoop it. It's good. Take a look. So yummy. Yummy. Okay guys, just like you heard, so if you love this video, please do give it a thumbs up, like, share, and comment, and tell us if you tried it already. Okay guys, from my love to yours, I just want to say bye.